Hey YouTube, it's your girl lasheavibez coming into you with the September 2022 curl box. If this is the first time that you've come across my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back and thanks so much for all of your support. If you're not familiar with Curlbox, what Curlbox is a monthly subscription where you pay $25 a month. It's $5 shipping. I'm located in the state of Georgia, so I do pay a little bit of tax on that. And you're billed on a recurring basis and you receive your curl boxes monthly. You usually receive anywhere between 5 to 7 hair care products, which makes for a great wash day. Also a great way to try products that you may have never heard of or products that you may have seen and never thought to try. The September curl box came in the old, this is the old traditional curl box. Now they're using like a lime green. I did recently review the November curl box. I am a little behind on my natural hair product reviews due to me doing a lot of sponsored videos, wig videos. I'll leave a link to the playlist of my wig and also my protective style playlist for you to check that out if you're looking for some hair inspiration. The holidays are coming and maybe you want to change it up a little bit and just not really sure how you want to wear your hair. Please be sure to take a look at those videos. We received a total of 7 items in this box. Each box always has a beautiful model on the front. And the September curl box was the September issue. This is a collaboration with JCPenney. And it also, these are all the products that we did receive. It gives you a brief summary of each product. We received a headband, a dimming brush, and all that, which was really, really cool. Check out how gorgeous the model is. I love her here. The Bantu knot, super pretty. Okay, now out of the whole box, unfortunately, we didn't receive like a standard shampoo, conditioner, leave-in, and moisturizer for me to review. So we received more like leave-in conditioners, primers, more than anything. Did receive 7 products. 2 of them I reviewed. I will be keeping a few, and then a few I'll be adding to Poshmark. So I'm going to start with the products that I didn't use and will be added to Poshmark. So if you're interested or just want to check to see what I have on the Poshmark closet, great time to do your shopping with the holidays coming and want to get some great products for the low. Be sure to check out my direct link in the description box. But the first item that will go to Poshmark is this Sexy Hair Healthy Tri-Week Leave-In Conditioner. It's a leave-in conditioner. Let me read you some more details on this. This is a keep the tangles at bay and the breakage away. Tri-Week Leave-In reduces breakage up to 81% and improves detangling up to 90%. This product is a must-have for silk press season to tame frizz and fly waves, improve smoothness, and adds a shine, all while delivering up to 72 hours of thermal protection. So check that out. It's an 8.5. This will go to Poshmark. If interested, check the link below. The second item that were received in Curlbox, which will also go to the Poshmark, is the Nourish and Shine Frizzless Liquid Gel Curl Prime for Waves and Curl Sculpt and Seal Sunflower Oil and Honey. And this is just like a primer. Improves the looks of foundation and a serum boosts the benefits of moisture. This hydrating pre-styling conditioner maximizes the results of styling creams or gels. The sunflower oil and honey infused formula help create a barrier between hair moisture and the air that preps curls for easy styling. Okay, again, this will hit Poshmark. Be sure to check the description box. The next item is a dimming brush. I have so many brushes, and I have a dimming brush as well. So I'll be adding this to Poshmark as well. This is the ultimate multi-use hairbrush for detangling, blow drying, styling, defining curls, and smoothing the hair. The 7-row pin pattern helps to reduce catches and drags while styling your hair. Tip: use on curls while the hair is still wet. Brush in an upward motion and twist brush to create definition. Again, if interested, please check the link below. But this will also go to the Poshmark closet. Root BioSilk Therapy. This is the award-winning weightless leave-in silk replenishing and reconstruction treatment. Helps to prevent split ends, fill voids in cuticle to create smooth hair, and provides incredible shine. Also included in the box, this is like a sample size. I'll be giving this a try in one of my hair care routines. This is the Scalp Bliss. It's the itch calming serum. I don't really experience a lot of itching, but I guess I'll give it a try. Nothing wrong with trying it. This is a gentle, fast acting cooling serum. Instantly soothes and nurtures the scalp. It is infused with aloe vera, manuka honey, peppermint, lavender, and witch hazel, giving you a lightweight and residue-free formula to ease dry, itchy, and irritable scalp. So I'll be trying that. We also received in the September curl box this super cute head wrap, and I love these. I love to wear head wraps like when I'm wearing my headband wigs. I'll leave a link so you can check out my wig playlist. I love things like this. Treat your tresses to a playful look with this twisted tie up head wrap in peach, blue, and cream, made with soft woven fabric and an elasticity section that gives an ample stretch. This boho style band complements your most casual looks and is comfortable for all day wear. Yeah, super cute. And I love, like, kind of looks like a tie-dye pattern. Super cute. Like I mentioned before, out of the curl box, since we didn't have a shampoo and conditioner, these are the results of the 2 items along with some other products that I had mixed in and I used to achieve this particular look. I can say that my hair is super soft, super bouncy. I'm very hydrated, and I think a lot of that has to do with the moisturizer, but the products that I did use are super hydrating, and I believe that the 2 items that I added that was used for, you know, from curl box also assisted with how the hair feels. It feels amazing. It feels really amazing, and it looks great too. Since we didn't have a shampoo, I did use the Rose Water Sulfate Hydrating Shampoo. I do have a product review on this. I'll leave it linked in cards and also below in the description box. If you like hydration, this is super amazing. And then I followed up with the Triple Moisture Replenishing Conditioner. I'll leave the link. I love these 2 products together. Super hydrating, very beautiful. Be sure to check them out. I know they've been running Black Friday sales if you wanted to give the Thank God It's Natural, the TGIN product line, a try. Make sure you check them out. I'm sure they'll have some sales if this goes up, and after Black Friday you could check it out for Cyber Monday. But if you hydration, definition, hair feels amazing, I really like this line. So I use this shampoo and condition. And then I followed up with one of the leave-ins that was received in the box, the Twist by Ouidad. This is a moisture locking leave-in, detangles, softens, and shape. And I just love the packaging on this. It looks like, you know, you can actually easy grip. You can handheld this. Shapely. Very shapely. I love that. With the Twist by Ouidad Curls Goals Moisture Locking Leave-In Conditioner, it hydrates, detangles, and prime with the moisture that all curls crave. Curl Goals infuse lightweight moisture for curls that need a little extra hydration to build definition. When I thought about this is actually a spray leave-in. Smells super amazing. Very lightweight. You can barely see it. Hair has been freshly washed and conditioned, and the shampoo and conditioner that I use to wash and condition the hair I absolutely love, but I'll speak to that and you'll see what I did use. But this is going to be the September curl box. I know I'm months behind. I've had several sponsor videos, wig reviews. I'll leave my wig link in cards so you can check that out if you want some style ideas or some amazing wigs and or ponytails, crochet styles. You can check out my links, and all information is always listed in the description box. But let's get into the September, the beautiful month of September, my birthday month. First product, this curl box actually came with several leave-ins and things like that, so it wasn't a complete set to where I can wash, condition, shampoo, and all that. So I'm taking bits and pieces. So I'm only reviewing 2 products. I will list the other items on Poshmark, so be sure to check out that link. I have some amazing things. Poshmark is popping right now, getting ready for the holidays, so check out my link. But the first item I'm going to be using as my leave-in is the Curl Goals Moisture Locking Leave-In Conditioner. It detangles, softens, shapes. There's an extra moisture for curls, and it's the Twist by Ouidad. I did use Ouidad products. I love the shape of this bottle. It just makes me feel like I could just hold it like this. You see how it has the really cute indentations. I love that. Like you could just hold it like that. So this is going to be the first time I'm using this product, this leave-in. It's a spray. That smells good. Look at that. So I'll be doing my Ever Faithful Broad Set. This is nice. This is really nice. It's the leave-in conditioner, moisturize, detangles, and primes. Apply to clean, damp hair, comb through, and follow with your favorite styler. I'm going to use a thicker base styler. It's not really cold here in Georgia, but the weather is starting to get a little chilly. We're having a lot of rain right now, so it's actually beautiful. Yesterday was Thanksgiving. It's a beautiful day. Okay, so I'm just going to coat the hair with this. Feels good, smells good. Very soft. But when I put it on my hair of course was damp because I had just finished washing and condition. It really helped to set my curls. When I thought about this would be something that would be great to use in like the summer months if you're doing like a wash and go, to refresh the hair and just kind of spray it on, because it's very lightweight. It was extremely hydrating, and my curls, it really helped to set my curls and give my curls definition, and I just love the smell. So love that one. And then I followed up with and this was in Curl Box. I use this as my moisturizer, and I've spoken of this highly before. The K Naturals Shea Yogurt Hair Moisturizer. This is super amazing, especially with the cooler months coming in. If you're looking for a product and you have a coarser hair or looking for more hydration, give this a try. And it's also Black owned. This is owned by Rochelle Graham, and it's also TGIN is also Black owned. I'll add that in, but this is super amazing. Be sure to check this out. K Naturals, if you're looking for something hydrating. I usually use this. I switch up, I guess like people do makeup and stuff, I switch up my hair products as well based on season. So this is one of my winter fall time favorites. So I use a generous amount of that, and then I rod setted the hair. Again, these are the results. Really, really love it. Super hydrating. I can even touch it and feel, and I think a lot of that, look at that shine. I think a lot of that really stems from the K, and just the products are hydrating. I could say it all worked together, but this was one of my super faves, and I really appreciated giving this one a try, and I was excited to try this one. This is the Lavender Mint Overnight Moisture Therapy. This one is said to help with your sleep, so I was like all for it. So what I did was, once I rod setted the hair, I just took a handful of this, and it's a cream texture, and I just kind of put it all through the hair. It smells amazing. I have the rods fully, and I really like this. As I was spraying it on just my regular hair, this would be like a great leave-in, like if you're doing like a wash and go, because I like the way it kind of set and my curls were placed. And it says it's moisture locking, so I'm gonna go over it again. Second product that I'm using from the box, again, there was a total of 7 items. There was like a headband, and then there's a dimming brush, but those will go to Poshmark. You'll see those in the beginning part of the video, but this I'm really excited about. This is the Tea Tree Lavender Mint Overnight Moisture Therapy. It restores hair, enhances sleep quality. Couldn't wait to try this one. What else does it say? The print is so small on the back. Guaranteed only with purchase with professional beauty salon industry. So can't wait to try this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use a generous amount on this on my hair now, and before I actually go to sleep I'm going to put a little bit more, because anything that assists with the quality of my rest is up my alley. Check out, it's like a cream. I thought it would have been probably more like a spray. Oh, that smells so nice. That smells so nice. That smells so amazing. It just smells fresh and clean and relaxing and luxurious. It smells amazing. Just gonna press that in. I'm gonna do it again before I go to bed, because it's supposed to enhance sleep quality. That's what I'm all about it. I'm all about it. Okay, I'm going to allow the hair to dry, and I will catch you guys in a few days for the results. Thinking a lot of that has to do with the smell. It really does. This is the Paul Mitchell Tea Tree. It's Paul Mitchell. Paul Mitchell Tea Tree Lavender overnight moisture therapy. The sleep enhancing, I was all for it. The sleep enhancing blend of dreamy herbs and florals restores and repairs as you sleep for healthy, hydrated hair. The products boost monoi, piquoy, and jojoba oils to help repair, protect, and deeply condition dry, damaged hair. This is the bomb. This is super amazing. It just smells exquisite. It has a very luxurious, beautiful smell, light and beautiful, but it's like a cream base. I thought it would have been more like a spray, but it's like a cream base, and it's so nice. And I just took it and just kind of patted my hair on top of the rods. I went over my hair and I spray, and I used some again before going to sleep. It's so calming. The smell, it's really nice. I really enjoyed this. So I use these two products, came in the September curl box. Be sure to rate, comment, share, and subscribe, and let me know if you received curl box. Did you use all the products? Which one was your favorite? Leave your comments below, and as always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.